Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Bet365 account while you're using your mobile app. In this case I'm on iPhone, but it's the exact same on any Android device using the Bet365 app. So if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the video. I'm on the Bet365 app right here on my iPhone, and in the top right there's a deposit button. Press deposit and then it's going to bring you to this page right here. And at the top, you can actually see Visa Debit, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Trustly. If you scroll along, you've got so many more different payment methods right there that you can select and deposit funds from. However, if you just want to use the traditional debit or credit card, you can scroll down here, and this is where you can actually select your currency. For me, I'm in the United Kingdom, so I'm going to press GBP. And then from there, you can enter your card number, your name on card, the expiry date, the 3 digits on the back of the card, and then the deposit amount right here. Let's just say £50. And then if you scroll down, there's a deposit limit as well. Time period you can select in there. And then once you're happy and you've read and acknowledged all of the agreements, you press this tick box that you have read, acknowledge and agree to the above statement, and press the green button, acknowledge and deposit £50. Once you press that button, £50 is going to be transferred instantly from your account into your Bet365 account. And so now guys, I've actually just deposited £10 using a debit card onto my account, and we can go up here to the top right, the deposit section. And then from there you can see your balance, £10 in the total balance. And then underneath it says that there's £10 that is actually withdrawable as well. Anyway guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below.